This will be a quick overview how you can arrange your reports for inventory in Steersman software and see what type of things you have on the shelf, who they belong to, and other things with your inventory that you have on the shelf. I'll go to the inventory, and there is a multitude of different reports, and we'll just look at one of them for now, the inventory by location. And you can see in here we have several different products, 23 in this test database. Some of them have serial numbers, and then all of them have some stock. Some of them have barcodes as well. So if we wanted to filter some of these inventory items and only show the items that are for a particular customer or any other properties that we need to filter by, we have multiple ways that we can organize them. So one of the ways would be to select tags, attach tags to the different product names, and you'll be able to run a report based on tags. Or even a simpler way to do it would be to simply implement some key symbols in the internal reference numbers of your products, so the internal references of them. And in this case, I have organized a few products to be for example, for DuPont, and a few other products for just an ZXC company. So let's just assume that it's just another company. It's very quick to set up filters for this, to search for them. So basically, I'll just type in DPNT for the tag for DuPont, and if I'll search product names by that criteria, I'll get all of the inventory that is appropriate for DuPont, and I can see exactly what we have on the shelf. So we have 10 units of one item, 17.5 units here, 8 and 20. So right now it's only showing the internal reference code basically for these items, but it could show other things. So product names or the tags, it could be added in. I'll go ahead and remove that filter. Same thing, I can go and search for ZXC, the other company that I have. So we have 64, 1 and 1. So I can run reports that way. And then if I want to save a particular report for later to reuse it, I can simply save the search. And for example, I can share it with all the users of the system. And I can say ZXC stock. Click save. So now it's a saved filter. I'll delete it, back to all of them, back to favorites. I can quickly go to this one and look at the results here. There are other ways to do it as well. So there could be sophisticated ways to do it via customization, but for simple management of inventory and reporting it, out of the box the system is capable of doing it with just minimum setup. If necessary, I can export data from this report. So I'll run back the company stock. I can highlight all of the lines in here and simply click export. Load a template for export. Client stock report 1, I prepared it before. Export to file. And I get an Excel spreadsheet with all the data that could be sent to the client. So the details about this are in this spreadsheet, and this could be customized to get exactly the data that you may need in here.